Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can sell your player. So what you need to do is tap the market button at the bottom of your screen. This is the transfers market page. So this is list of recommend player that you can buy. So expensive, but what I want to show you how you can sell your player. This is all of your players. So this is my players. I want to sell this one for the. So please sell this player. Tap the sell. Tap it, sell the player, and confirm. Tap the confirm, and you have to wait. Tap the main order. You have to wait a moment, maybe a few hours, to get this player sold in the market, I mean. So give it a try to sell your not needed player. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click text button below. Enjoy the game.